Are you trying to import a DWG file into Revit, but it comes too large, too small, misplaced, or completely confusing? In this tutorial, I'll show you the simple beginner-friendly workflow for importing DWG files into Revit and exporting your Revit model as DWG step by step. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. Is this your first time? Make it official. Tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notification so you don't miss out. Part 1. How to import DWG file into Revit. Step 1. Prepare your DWG file. Before importing, make sure your DWG file is clean. A messy CAD file can slow down your Revit project. Step 2. Import the DWG file. Go to Insert tab, click Insert, click Import CAD. Select the folder you saved the DWG file. Now select the DWG file. Step 3. Configure the import settings. This part is very important. Check the units. Here, import unit. Click on it. Select any units of your choice. Let me use millimeters. The colors. You can use preserve color. Then positioning. Click on it. You can select any of your choice, but I'll leave it at the default. If the scale looks wrong after importing, your units are usually the problem. This is one of the most common beginner mistakes. Click Open. Position and verify the DWG. Once the file is imported, verify that everything is aligned correctly. Check the scales. Let's confirm the dimension. It's the same thing. Now you can start tracing over the CAD drawing. If there is anything you do not understand, drop it in the comment section. I will attend to it. Now let's head over to part 2, how to export Revit view as DWG. Step 1. Open your view. Here's the view we are exporting. Whatever view is active is what Revit will export. Click on File, click on Export, CAD, select DWG. Click on these 3 dots, Colors, check Specified in View. Click on Solid, change to Exit Solid. Click OK. Click on Next. Choose a folder to save the file. File types. Click on it. You can select any version of your choice. Now finish the export. Click OK and Revit will generate the DWG file. And just like that, your Revit view is now exported as a DWG file. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Thank you for watching.